Uh, I woke up few minutes back and time is somewhere around 10:20. So probably I woke up. What do you call it? Early. I went out, bought smokes, bought my breakfast. And the funny thing is happening. I'll tell you what is happening. When I gave the what do you call it details that you people use it and all this stuff. You have my permission, Victoria people. So what happened is, and probably if you have it, so you have that command that everyone should be a part of it. It's what do you call it? Everyone can. It's but it's in their hand, the Victoria. I don't know. Things happened, so I thought of like let them have it. I have to stop somewhere. So someone mocks me, sends a notification that they have created a lizard. Hmm? Then I get a notification that shop from the local market. Hmm? And then I gotta go, right? So I get one more thing on my television that you cannot. This is their world. You cannot go. Probably, what what do they want? Hmm? What do they want? Look, uh, I'll tell you the matter. The lizard thing. I tried. I was going somewhere else in 2022. A glue is stuck to me. A glue which is what do you call it? Uh, what do you call it? I'm chained. I cannot go. They have chained me in such a way. Then they want to mock me for it. Ulta. Then the shop from the local market. What फूलों का हार? I don't have to say anything for this. My past will speak. And then this, what do you call it? There was more stuff. The I cannot go. Who who will stop me? Huh? I gave you with my own will that you should have no mess, and any problem comes. 50,000 has those files, so any problem comes, I'll come back and I'll give you uh, safety as well. That wherever I am, wherever I'll go, over that they want to say that they have caged me. So, uh, look, be on your own words. Lizard, shop from a market, or the I cannot go out. What is it? You are confused, and probably it's some child who is doing this. So you are confused. I am not. My thing was uh, that I have to get my freedom somewhere, so I got it here. So it doesn't mean there should be some harm coming to these people. I have to manage that as a human, as a guy, as a what do you call it? As my father's son. My father was also this type. So uh, he's my so I have to be take care that no mess up should happen, and then I'll leave wherever I am supposed to go. Huh? So there should be no fuck up here. People should live happily, and there is plenty. Everyone can be a part of those filmmaking and everything. Okay. and what do you call it? I got a life to go. What do you call it? Life to live. But I cannot live my life within this box. I am thankful to this place that this has healed me. I am so thankful, and in return, what do you call it? I did my, I gave it away everything, and not like any that with open heart I gave it. Give it with open heart. Have it, okay? But I got a life to live. I cannot live my life in this box. Huh? So, putting me that they are caging me. So it feels bad, After doing so much, I am helping you. Huh? I want those the Handori people should not make a mess of your life, like they made a mess of mine. So, I cannot spend. I will, of course, if any problems comes, I will come back if any problem comes. But I cannot, what do you call it? I got a life to live. Try to understand. There is nothing against you. There is nothing against you. I said before, in Victoria, there is nothing against anyone. I am completely giving it with my happiness. Let them use it. I am happy. And everyone are there, you can work together. So, I am very happy because this place healed me, it gave me freedom, which I was begging for, not begging for, struggling for. I don't beg. So I was struggling for my freedom, which I got it here, and I thank everyone. Things happen. They didn't plan that this will happen, but I didn't plan this will happen, but things happen. I got freedom. So I will go to any place in time. One more surgery is there, then court clearance is there, then I have to what do you call it? Fix my family in a proper way. Fix you people that no harm should come here. Where the data is there, and one more thing, stop any connection with those Chembur West people because they will trap you. Stop any connection. Chembur West people. I think this is those Andore people stop. If they gave you the stolen drives or anything, I don't know what is happening because they will do this. They will come after you all your life. If any connection is there, if not, then don't worry. I'll try my best that nothing should come in. So have fun, and probably tell the children not to send such stuff. Try to understand my side, okay?